Kum ke jing pen pai ke jing pen bitar bat jing sha Ther ha ke Islamabad ki Shipai ke India ki la pen pai kella bat Ther ha rukom ba janai bat bom bakla ya ki Jaka Jong ki Shipai ka Pakistan ken thop nadu ki jing tei ki Jaka badon ka radar ka Jaka traikam ba ai hukum bat bishar ya ka long ka man ne ka command and control center bar ki Jaka bu tiar thma ha ka jing kren ba kerpang shikilat pathai khubor halor ka operation sindur ka wing commander ka Vyomika Singh kala batai bnia ya ki rukom Kunthma bala shim de ki Shipai ke India kala pentip bala pet thu bha ya ka yat ka yeng Jong ki Shipai ka Pakistan ha ka ba kala pentip ba kilas dang bantur shakhmat ka ba pen I ya ka jing yale persha Jong ki bar ka jing yale ban pen he ya ka jing ya khun kala pentikna ba ki Shipai ke India kila long ki bala pen khre bat la la ban pen phai kiliang ya ki jing Ther Jong ka Pakistan.
Exchange of artillery mortars and small arms fire in Kupwara, Baramulla, Poonch, Rajouri and Aknoor sectors continued. Indian Army has responded effectively and proportionately, causing extensive damage to Pakistan Army. Pak military has been observed to be moving their troops into forward areas, indicating offensive intent to further escalate the situation. Indian Armed Forces remain in a high state of operational readiness. All hostile actions have been effectively countered and responded appropriately. Indian Armed Forces reiterate their commitment to non-escalation, provided it is reciprocated by the Pakistan military.